Hello, dear audiences. Welcome to the show, Jack Chow on East West with the G&E TV. As we all recall, on the 1st of July, there was a big news, a huge news that broke up about the LA County Sheriff corruption cases. Among the 6 officers, the quote-unquote officers or former officers, there were 2 convicted to the crime of corruption. It's been really something very painful to talk about, because by logic, we're the taxpayers. They are the hired employees to serve as police officers, as law enforcement officers, and well, it turns out to be, well, they're the ones who started the beating, the torture, and everything of the inmates. So. Joining me today in the discussion, also bringing along his own case, is my friend, Mr. Zhouyong Ping Zhou. Welcome, Mr. Zhou, to the show.
Thank you.
All right. So what do you want to say about the corruption case of LA County Sheriff?
Mr. Jack, and this case is exactly the same case I suffered. You know, when I report my hate crime.
No. I'm talking about your comment on the LA County Sheriff corruption cases.
Oh. This is exactly the officers commit the crime to harm the even their inmates, harm their constitutional right, and harm their family members, but later they even cover up, lied to the FBI, the agent, try to cover up, hold their crimes.
I see. Do you think it's a hate crime or is it just a corruption crime?
This, I think, just their discrimination to the inmates. There's I think their officers, they feel they're on the top. They didn't even respect their basic, the inmates, the constitutional right.
Probably I should stop asking you questions of that nature because you are not in the field, I'm in the field of expertise. Let's talk about your case, right? So why did you say that your case was similar to this one or this one was similar to your case?
Because when I report my case, my crime, I was suffered the torture case to the FBI field office in Indianapolis. In April 2008. That agent reviewed my case, took about the whole afternoon, 3-4 hours, reviewed.
So what is your case? Let's back a little bit, rewind a little bit, let's see what exactly happened. What happened to you?
Oh, that's in the beginning of my case, really same. This.
Yeah, I mean, what happened on the day of the case?
I was tortured, beaten by the bailiff in the.
What the exact story of that day? What happened?
That day I went to the Indianapolis City County building for some case. I have a hearing scheduled. So after hearing, I finished.
What city in the state did this happen?
Indiana State, the city.
Indiana State. In what city?
Indianapolis. That's the capital of the state.
The
Indianapolis.
Indianapolis, right? Okay. Now, so what happened?
That's that day I went to the Indianapolis City County building and the courtroom.
The courtroom, okay.
Yeah, I went to there for my case. I have a hearing. After that, I just talked with my.
After the hearing.
After the hearing, I talked with my own public defender.
You talked to your public defender?
And David Martinez. Because he need to transfer the case folder to my new private lawyer.
Okay.
New lawyer didn't show up.
I see.
So he also not in the same city.
I see.
This is why I want to give the copy so I can bring, when I drive back to Detroit, I can pass to my new lawyer.
So you were in the court talking to your public defender, who's attorney, right?
They have a table.
All right, okay, yeah. So what happened?
Suddenly someone approached me. I was sitting in the gallery, reviewed my hand have some copy.
Okay, sure. And somebody who?
That's later verified. It's a bailiff, Bellinger.
All right, the court bailiff. Yeah. Huh?
Yeah, court bailiff.
Okay. He approached you?
He approached me.
What did he say? What did he do?
He asked me leave, and
he asked you to leave.
Yeah, and didn't give any reason. Then later
he didn't say why he's asking you to leave.
Yeah, he didn't say any reason, and I immediately told him I was talking with my lawyer. That's for about my case, the folder copy document, because.
All right. Did you say you refused to go, or you just explained to him why you were still there?
Exactly. This is a very short conversation. You know, I was lower my head, go through my paper, try to talk.
You're looking into the files.
Yeah.
While talking to your attorney, who is a public defender.
Yeah, because the lawyer agreed to give me the copy.
Yeah, well, I know, but the nature of the conversation is different from the subject. The subject matter is that there's a bailiff who approached you to ask to leave. Did you leave?
Yeah, I did leave.
You did leave. In how long?
It's a very short conversation. He only took around. You know, he asked me, I found someone called me, asked me leave. Then I left my head. I found there's the bailiff working there. So I told him I was talking with my lawyer.
I see. All right. Did you go back, continue talking to him, or you started to leave?
No chance. Because no chance to go back and talk with my lawyer.
Okay. And then you stood up. You started to move out or to leave.
Yeah. He second round. He didn't explain any reason to bailiff. He just asked me leave, and he told me I can't.
So you say second round. Did he come to you twice?
No, the conversation.
Very
quick.
Okay, I was asking you about the time when he said leave before. I mean, the time from the point when he said leave to the time that you actually stood up to leave.
That's I think even less than 1 minute.
Even less than 1 minute.
Because
you obeyed the order. You obey the instruction to leave.
Yeah, because only 2 round conversation.
All right. Okay. Okay. No. So you did leave.
Yeah.
You stood up. Did he pull you up, or you stood up yourself?
Oh, I stood up myself.
Okay. And then what happened?
So I walk out of the courtroom.
You walk out of the courtroom.
Yeah.
In
In the hallway.
In the hall, and then once you're in the hallway, the instruction was followed. You were out of the room, of the courtroom, as he wished, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then what happened? What happened then?
I walk out of the courtroom. I didn't even recognize he was following me. Outside.
He was following you to the hallway of the courtroom.
Then began attack.
And then what happened?
He punched me.
He punched you from where to what part of your body?
My neck, back.
Your neck?
Yeah.
Back of your neck?
Yeah, and then squeezed me, turned me on the.
Punch with his fist?
Pump.
With his fist or
pump.
A pump?
Yeah.
Pump.
Then he twists me on the wall.
And when people use the palm, they normally push you. They don't punch you with a palm.
No. I'm not in English. He punched my neck. That twists me to the wall.
Okay, push you to the wall.
No, actually, because he not only used the palm, he used the finger twist, grab my neck, so twist me on the wall.
Okay, so he grabbed your neck.
Yeah.
And pushed you to the side?
I have to turn back 180 degrees because I walk out of.
All right. You turn it around to face him.
Yeah, he beginning punch by palm, then grab my neck, twist me to the wall. So there's 180 degrees.
Push you to the wall, and what happened then?
He cuffed me.
He handcuffed you.
Yeah, one by one.
He kind of handcuffed you from front or the back?
From back, and
both hands?
Yeah, one by
both
one.
Hands.
Yeah, my document, my jacket, backpack, all sprayed on.
All fell down.
Yeah.
They scattered on the floor.
Yeah.
You were handcuffed from behind.
Yeah.
All right. And then what happened?
Then just that moment, I saw the one witness about a few feet ahead. You know, because my head was, he squeezed on the wall. So I asked the name.
He pushed you to squeeze your head against the wall, right?
Yeah.
Your face was on the wall?
Yeah, one side face on the wall, this side face on the wall.
Right hand side,
Yeah.
your face was on the wall.
So I saw
and what happened?
I saw the hallway, only a few feet high.
Okay.
I
In the
saw-
process of him handcuffing you, did you fight? Did you resist?
No, because I even didn't recognize this.
It happened so fast.
Yeah, and even no conversation.
All right, okay.
Outside,
all right, okay.
went to outside, no conversation at
Okay.
all.
And then what happened?
And then I found that witness.
You yelled out.
No. I first my reaction is I need to know this witness name because
Yeah, I know.
he saw.
Okay, I know. You're a smart guy. You thought you need a witness, right?
Yes.
So you what kind of a way did you say to communicate to the person who you thought might be a witness?
I call. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? I call.
Then you screamed or you yelled.
No, but
Or you asked in a very loud voice, right?
it's okay. Just because that's a small hallway.
All right.
That's a very small cold room. Very small hallway.
yeah, okay.
Even
And what did the person say, or did the person respond to you?
and he didn't have a chance. See, because he watched us. He watched us. This happened so quick.
He didn't have a chance to do what?
He didn't reply me yet. Then the sheriff pushed me into the courtroom again.
Back into the courtroom
Yeah,
again? He was asking you to leave, right?
Yeah, I think the reason he pushed me back, he don't want to me get the witness name.
All right, anyway, back to my audience. Today, of course, you know me, I'm no judge, I'm no attorney, I have no background of anything of that nature. Just in the aftershock of the LA County Sheriff case, corruption case, I picked up this incident, which is a incident that, quote unquote, he thought he was either discriminated or being committed hate crime as a victim. So with Mr. Zhouyong Ping, we'll continue with the discussion after this short break. So stay with us, please.